Good morning, happy Friday. We've had quite a mild week across Minnesota with temperatures up in the upper 30s, a little bit cooler the last couple days, and that will persist through the weekend. Here's our temperatures out there this morning. 23 degrees in the Twin Cities, 13 up in Duluth. Very cold way up there on the North Shore, 5 in Grand Marais this morning. And we do have winds also out of the north and northeast. That's making it feel a lot cooler. If you've been outside at all today, you'll know there's a little bit of a bite out there in the air, and it only feels like 14 in St. Paul this morning, 17 out in Glencoe when we factor in the wind. Let's take a look at your weather headlines. Today is the winter solstice. We'll talk about that in just a moment. Mild trend tapering as we go into next week, and also a large storm system possible late next week. So here's the winter solstice. This is the shortest day of light in the northern hemisphere. The sun centered on the southern hemisphere, and that means we have the shortest day of the year. And as we head into tomorrow, our days will begin to get longer. So that's something to look forward to. Yesterday, we made it to 37 degrees in the Twin Cities. Your sunset at 4:34. Our average high is 24. We've been well above that this week. If you look back to 2011, it was 52 on this day. So here's the storm system as we go into next week. Lots of uncertainties at this point. It's still quite early. What we're looking at is a potential large low pressure system that will come from the south. Typically with those systems, we see lots of moisture. Here's 3 different scenarios, all offering a little bit different in terms of precipitation. If the system is farthest to the north, we'll have a little bit cooler air and more snow. However, if it's farther to the south, we could see rain and even thunderstorms next week. So very unseasonable in that regard. So everything will depend on the temperature and exactly where that storm system is centered. This is the European model, which is typically very reliable. Thursday, 2 a.m. next week, low pressure centered across the Oklahoma Panhandle, and that particular model brings more snow into the upper Midwest. So keep an eye on that if you have travel plans after Christmas next Wednesday and Thursday. You'll want to be ready for some winter driving conditions. So for today, some sun late. It's mainly cloudy out there now, but we will see some sunshine. High of 31 degrees, right around freezing, and winds out of the northeast. And we look into your 7-day forecast. A little bit warmer tomorrow, 34, 30 for Sunday, overcast skies, and into next week. Christmas Eve, Monday, Christmas Day, Tuesday, right around freezing, partly cloudy skies. Then comes that storm system into Wednesday and Thursday with a wintry mix possible. So keep that in mind with your travel plans. Have a fantastic break and see you in the new year.